Yelo, honest farm equipment that simply works. The SpreadMaster provides practical, reliable and easy spreading of seed, fertilizer and powders for improved grass or crop growth. Yelo SpreadMaster is a versatile tool for everyday farm use across a variety of changing conditions. Just pop it onto the flat deck of your side-by-side or ute, or purchase our optional quick smart mount attachment system for a faster and sturdy setup for regular use. Its compact, lightweight design means it integrates with your vehicle while remaining easy to move between jobs. Simple controls ensure fast, precise and even application. Lightweight yet durable. It's easy to operate and handle, while the large 70-litre hopper means fewer refills to save time and keep you moving. Key features and benefits include unique 6-vane stainless spinner disc, gives up to 15 metre spread with efficient coverage. Manual lever stainless shutter system, up to 50 kilograms per hectare for accurate delivery. Remote on-off spinner switch with 3-metre wiring loom for simple control from the driver's position. Galvanised steel frame that mounts onto flat deck or optional quick smart attachment system for strength and reliability. Yelo SpreadMaster gives you confidence that every load delivers results where it matters most, season after season. Yelo, honest farm equipment that simply works. To find out more about the SpreadMaster, visit our website and find your nearest store.